Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face Unlock on your Redmi 13. To enable Face Unlock, go into Settings. Here, scroll down to Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Tap on Face Unlock, draw your pattern or input your password, and then you can start adding face data. Now, of course, you want to confirm next, and now just keep your face in the frame. Just make sure your face is inside the frame and that you have good lighting on your face. So you might have to turn on lights, for example. Now, after your face has been added, you can give it a name. Let's call it Face 1, for example. And then done. Of course, you can turn on or off the ability to unlock your phone using face data, which basically, after you turn your phone on, you can direct the phone at your face, and as you can see by this here, your phone will be unlocked. You can swipe and it's going to be unlocked. If you don't want it to stay on the lock screen after scanning your face, you can turn this option off, and then it's going to automatically go into the unlocked phone. Of course, you can also let it show notification details after verifying face data if you stay on the lock screen. Or you can allow this, which will possibly drain quite a lot of battery, as it will cause your phone to scan for your face whenever your phone screen turns on due to notifications coming. If you turn off the ability to unlock your phone using face data, then it's not going to even scan for your face. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.